In this video, I will show you how to use the last value projection feature within the chart properties of a line chart and a bar chart. This can be done by going over to Chart Properties, then Last Value Projection, and selecting how you'd like to project your chart. First, I'll show you how to use a specified value. Select Specified Value, then enter in your projected value. In this case, let's suppose it's 100,000. You could also use other options, such as averaging your previous values. Let's say I wanted to use the last 6 previous quarters to forecast. Enter in your 6 and your projection adjusts. Or alternatively, I could use linear regression. I click in, select it, and the linear regression shows my projected value, my actual value, and the difference between the two. The process is the same for a bar chart. Again, go to Chart Properties and click on Last Value Projection. Then Project Using. Then select your preferred method of projection. In this case, I'll show you linear regression once again. In here, it shows you the projected, the difference, and the actual values. And that is how you use your last value projection feature within a card.